What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video today. This is going to be a day in the life with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Big thanks to Huawei for sponsoring this video. I've charged this up to 100% and I'm going to be taking it with me all throughout the day and we'll see how it goes. Firstly, we're going to go and pick up a friend. We're in Leicester and look who it is. Hi there, brother. Good to see you, man.
You
Good
too.
to see you.
How's it going?
Good, how's your journey?
It was fine. That's a quick train ride, that's not so bad.
Ready for some lunch?
Ready for some lunch.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Right, so we're at the restaurant and Kogan here needs a bit of a top up. Thankfully, we've got wireless reverse charging. Boom. How cool is that?
I love that.
Food is here. Now, of course, that means we need to take lots of food pictures. We do have Master AI enabled on the Mate 20 Pro. And that means it's gonna be able to tell when we're taking pictures of food, and it's gonna enhance the images to make them look crisp. Right, that was an amazing meal. But now we're gonna go out and test the cameras a little bit more. We're gonna go to the park and I'm gonna show David around Leicester. Just taking a quick stop at the National Space Center here in Leicester. You guys might recognize this from a lot of my camera comparisons. Now with the Mate 20 Pro, we've got 3 cameras, as you can see. And this means that not only can we get a regular angle shot of the Space Center, but we can also use the optical zoom. So we've got the Telephoto camera, that's 3 times, and there's also a hybrid zoom, which is 5 times. And finally, there's also an ultra wide, so we can get everything in the scene. We're now here at Bradgate Park. I'm going to test out more of the camera. Check it out. Right, we've reached the top of Bradgate Park and here is Old John's house. This is a perfect place where we can use the wide angle camera because we're pretty close, but we want a bit of an epic shot. And that's gonna get all of it in here for us. Right, so we've just been taking pictures for quite some time and we're still on around 78%, which is pretty impressive. Sun's going down, we're gonna take some more shots, test out the dynamic range, and then we'll go over and have a look. Right, we're back just having a look at some of the pictures, and I have to say dynamic range has definitely improved. My personal favorite camera is the wide angle camera. You get so much in your shots, and I've got this shot of the castle and a plane just flew by at the right time and it looks absolutely awesome. Kogan's gonna do some filming, so I'm gonna just play some games now. I've been gaming for a while now and this has been absolutely fine in terms of performance. It's very, very fast and snappy, and that is thanks to the Kirin 980, which is one of the fastest processors out there right now. Towards the end of the day now, we're still on just under 50%, which is pretty impressive. I think one of the things that I've really liked about using the Mate 20 Pro is how quick it is to unlock. We do have the fingerprint scanner within the display, which is really easy to use, But as well as that, there is the 3D face unlock, which I actually prefer because it's so quick and it's also very secure. Lots of other smartphones just use the front-facing camera. With the Mate 20 Pro, it is using a dot projector, so it's like 30,000 dots. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. If you want to pick this up, then I'll be leaving some links in the description below. If you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications so you don't miss anything. Big shout out to my friend David, the Unlocker. I'm going to be linking his channel in the description below. He helped me film all of this. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.